Electrophoresis. The term electrophoresis describes a process that uses electricity to separate molecules. The process of electrophoresis is powerful. It uses electricity to separate charged molecules of a mixture. The charged molecules inside a buffer starts moving when an electric field is applied. They march towards oppositely charged plate or electrode. The moving velocity of these molecules depends on their size and charge. Small-sized molecules move faster, while large-sized molecules move slowly toward the electrode. The matrix in which the molecules are separated can be of different types like a paper, gel, or capillary tube. Depending on the type of matrix, there are different kinds of electrophoresis like paper electrophoresis, gel electrophoresis, and capillary electrophoresis, etc. Tiselius developed electrophoresis in 1930s. He won the Nobel Prize for his brilliant work in the year 1948. Electrophoresis is a brilliant technique to separate charged molecules like proteins, DNA, and RNA, etc.